Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix vibration not working on iPhone in iOS 17.3.1. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Turn on vibration. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on accessibility. On the accessibility page, scroll down, tap on touch. On the touch page, scroll down, turn on vibration. Method number 2. Check ringtone vibration. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on sound and haptics. On the sound and haptics page, tap on ringtone, tap on haptics. On the haptics page, scroll down, tap on create new vibration. Then swipe up and select default. Method number 3. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Method number 4. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset all setting. Enter your Face ID. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.